Okay, so here we are at breakfast at the FuramaXclusive Ocean Seminyak Beach. Got some juices over there. Just over here we've got some breads. So we've got different types of breads. They do have gluten-free options as well. Croissants, all the pastries. Right next door you've got the Waka Waka playground. So we'll go in there a bit later and show you around there. So we've got some fruits as well over here. Looks like it's making up a different... Hi, how are you? Do you do eggs for order? Yep.
We have frozen and boiled egg here.
Okay, perfect, thank you. So yep, we'll come around here. Lots of different fruits. Salad stuff. Yep, so they do the egg station here for the omelettes as well. So you can probably get a sunny size up as well. Let's come over this side. So sausages available, potato, tomatoes. This looks like a Indonesian section along here. So noodles, nasi goreng. Just a coffee machine. There is very good coffee just down the road at Coffee Club, so you can always pop there and grab that. Looks like we've got all those. Bacon, looks kind of nice. Some veggies as well. Looks like some waffles, spring rolls, and French toast and pancakes. Oh, this looks lovely. Straight out of the oven. Wow.